Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the February Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit comes out every month. It's the smaller of our two kits. It includes two brand new collections, and this month is Simple Stories, Hard Eyes, and Photo Play Paper shipped to shore. With your kit, you receive cardstock, pattern paper, embellishments. You also have access to two recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team designs for you. And then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. Our subscribers also have access to a free exclusive cut file each month. These are designed by Cut to You, and this month is this awesome True Love cut file here, so it's going to go perfect with your Simple Stories Hard Eyes. So be sure to get that downloaded. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is Shipped to Shore from Photo Play Paper. So this is a great cruise line collection, but it can be for any vacation, seaside, waterside, sipping a drink, just sitting out, relaxing. There's lots of pictures that you can document with this. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock, 1 sheet of guacamole. This paper is called Palm Trees, and it has all of the palm leaves here. The back is the palm trees, green on green. This one's called Hey Bartender. It has all of the drinks. The back is a rope design on that craft. We have this paper called Excursion, which is a stripe, which is always great, but it has this little chain link here going through the bottom, so it's very thematic for the cruise line. The back is the anchors on red. So one more look at your pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this is a postage stamp border with that kind of orangey red polka dot. We have a row of coconuts and all of those fun patterns. Lots of little word labels, little banners here. You got Bon Voyage for a large title and ahoy, banners, the cruise ship, lighthouses, more of your drinks and your flip-flops. So that is Shipped to Shore from Photo Play Paper. Our second collection is Hard Eyes from Simple Stories. So this is a great Valentine themed kit. You can document everything that you love in your life. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of black cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one called Love Notes, which is a background that's just all ready to go. We've got the text and the gray on black polka dot, a black polka dot down here, and that big floral. It's just gorgeous. The back is that bright pink with me plus you. We have I Heart You, which is all of the emojis on the turquoise. The back is a striped. Then we have the cut apart sheet here, which is always a lot of fun. Lots of little journaling spots. You could take some of your leftovers and make some cute little cards for your loved ones. The back is this gorgeous floral print. So one more look at your pattern paper. Then you're going to receive the Page Pieces embellishment kit. So these are designed where they give you everything to create a page and an idea of how to do it with their templates. So you can copy this, or you can create and use them however you want, add some other embellishments to it. So everyone will receive the same embellishments on that. I love the little conversation hearts. So that is Hard Eyes from Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out the flavors of the month if you want a little bit more product. We also have the Shots of Life, a card kit, lots of things going on the Facebook group and the blog, so join us over there. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.